What is going on, guys? It's David Gamer Season 5, and welcome back to my brand new video. If I get 10 legendaries, the video ends. Let's do this. First, we have, we get an epic and 2 uncommons. I need the signal parts. I need to collect all the other, blue. Yes, I get a blue. You don't think seeing this trash is not bad. That's okay. Let's do this. You don't think so? I want this thing. And finally have a first legend. And now we have the first legendary. We can use this. This is the selling strat. I have to sell and do not be in trouble. Do not be in trouble. Do not be the one in trouble. So we had to keep this legendary here. Okay, we got another blue. Silly coffee's on, and somebody said, "Is it uncommon?" Come on, where's the rat? Yes, I want blue. Give me blue. Alright. Give me blue and purple. Okay, I'm gonna use purple wherever I want. Do not give me an orange until the video ends. We have a legendary at one time. Give me blue and purple. Yes! Get the purple. Now we have the blue. More blues. Now we have another blue. Yes! Oh no, this is it. Oh yes, we have our one purple. One purple. Yes, we got one blue. Oh yes, we got purple. Yes, we got purple and blue and purple. Okay, this is a blue better. That's better, yes. I want this blue and purple. So that's my favorite color. Yes, now we can try this. And we have another blue. Now we have another purple. Now. And we got the legendary. You gotta keep. Now we gotta sell up another. Now we have to sell again. It's selling time. I'm ready to sell. I'm ready to sell. I'm ready. And do you get my money? Okay. And we got two oranges. 2 oranges for me. So where is this blue? Yes. Give me blue and purple. I don't like orange. Until the video ends. Yeah. No legendaries. Yes, I can browse methods only. Oh, those things are still silly. And we got another legendary. Yes, we have the 3rd legendary in the time. Yes, give me a blue. Yes, give me a blue. Give me a blue. Yes, give me that. Just give me the blue. Yes, there's only a lot of blues left and a lot of purple left. And do not get, but I don't want to get caught and don't see it. No, I don't want to see any oranges. Oranges are bright, and if I saw an orange when the square's orange, it scares me. I don't want to see any scary squares, but that the orange is scary. Yes, there's only green and blue and gray. Yeah, there's only. Let's get some more. Yes, we get the purple. 2 purples. Yes. Get another blues. Yes, 2 double blues. I want blue and purples. Oh boy! Yes! 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 I can do this! This game is gonna be good. Yes! I'm getting more blues! Yes, another purple! Yeah! Yes! Yes! I'm gonna do it! I'm going to win the game! Hey, flat! David the Gamer silly and high big and small. Is away, make away, danger going to fly. Time to do and change the board and make it better all the fly. We got another legendary. We got 4 legendaries. And no, we didn't have a legendary model. It's the last part of the list. I cannot see the legendary. Let's see this more. Oh, shoot, no. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. We have another legendary. What? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Next time, won't you sing with me? Tell we want you sing well without me. Great. Let's do it faster. I need this. Yes. I'm good at purples and blues. They're giving me blues and purples. Yes. That's, I can sing it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Oh no. We have a stopper legendary. That's a dumb legendary. Let's sing it to David. Goodness, no. I keep walking along and singing this song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Oh no! We have another legendary. Let's do this again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Next time, if you like me do, tell we want you sing down me. We did it. Now we can try this. I'm gonna sing it again next. Let's defeat this dummy. Here. I'll sing it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, O, P, Q, R, oh no, we have a hatch another legendary. Let's defeat this again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, O, P, Q, R, oh no, we have a next legendary. Let's defeat this. Put this lava on. Sing it in this beat again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What? Oh no, we have seven legendary. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. What? What? Another legendary. We have 8 legendary. Let's do this one more. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Tell me what you sing down me. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing? A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Oh no, we have the next legendary. There's only one more legendary left. Let's do it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Let's go with it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know the ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay. Happy? Okay. I'm happy enough. That's enough. Thank you for watching. If you subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And don't miss a video from me. And thank you. Oh no! We have a last legendary. Thank you for watching. Bye!